Tired of playing catch me if you can with rogue drivers? Meet the spike strip's cooler, lazier cousin. Instead of tossing it like a frisbee and missing, cops now have a remote-controlled genius. Picture this: officers chilling roadside, coffee in hand, waiting for that perfect moment. A press of a button and bam! The spikes leap out like an overzealous party popper, flattening tires and dreams of escape. No more awkward sprints or bad aim, just effortless justice served with a side of tech. It's like upgrading from a slingshot to a drone. Modern problems, modern solutions. Drivers, beware. The spike strip's got Wi-Fi now.